Hi, I'm Amrit Kaur and this is my social data mining techniques assignment number 2. It is a presentation on social media posting. The social medias used here are Twitter and Reddit. So the objective here is to build a web application that allows for real-time acquisition of feeds from both the social medias and then display them into our web application, then collect that data and build a data model, and then I have to store it into my database and then post using my web applications. So my data sources are Twitter API and Reddit API. I have used my personal accounts, that's why you will see my usernames here. For the tools, I have used Python for the server-side programming and Python in order to run my entire code. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript in order to make my web application the user interface. The CSS and JavaScript make it very easier to make the website look good and attractive. I have used Django as my web framework. Further, I have used Azure Cloud Services in order to store my data into the database, and Reddit and Twitter API in order to use all the functionalities such as posting and extracting the posts on the user's page. These are my data models. The Twitter ID number and the created ad, that is the date of the post created, the added ad, the time of post created, the actual tweet. Similarly, for Reddit, the title, the post's title, the date and time of the post created, and the message posted by the user. Going further, you can see my developer account from where I access my consumer keys and authentication tokens and keys for my website, the app. And similarly, the Reddit developer account from where I access the secret keys and user IDs in order to run my web application. These are the screenshots of the codes I have used for Reddit. This one was for Twitter, this is for Reddit. These are my Twitter and Reddit models, and these are my access tokens. These are the web page screenshots. Here you can see this is my home page from where you can go to post on Twitter or post on Reddit, whatever you want to post. And then if you go to post on Twitter, you will see the tweets, and when you go to ready to tweet button, you will be redirected to start posting now page from where you can post a new tweet, and you can, when you post it, it will be shown into your feeds as well as your actual Twitter account, as you can see in the screenshot. Similarly, in Reddit, if you go to post on Reddit, it will be shown the previous Reddit's post or whichever we have posted earlier, and then the start posting now page. If you add new, you can post whatever you want to post here, and then it will be proceeded, and you can see the post we did on the Reddit web application. So here I am done with my static presentation, and now I will give you the live demo. Here you can see I have imported all my required libraries, which includes Django and TweetPy. TweetPy is used to access our Twitter API. Similarly, I have used Raw in order to access my Reddit API. Now I am using my showTweet function in order to authenticate using my unique keys into Twitter. Here I am using my consumer keys, secrets and keys. Further into the code, you can see a glance of my Twitter model, which is Twitter ID, created ad, and the tweet. We are making an instance of our Twitter model. Further, I am using my post-tweets method in order to post into my Twitter using my API key and secret. Going further, I have used showReddit in order to see all my Reddit posts already present and the post Reddit function in order to get posting on my Reddit account. These are my HTML and CSS files through which I have enhanced my website. Now I will run my code in my terminal. I have got my localhost ID, and when I open this, here you can see my web homepage and welcome, what do you want to do today? I am going to post on Twitter. These are my posts I did earlier, and then I go to ready to tweet. Then I type here everything is fine. Then I am posting it, and as you can see, everything is fine for now. It's showing into my feed. Now I'm going to go to my actual Twitter account and I will refresh. And everything is fine for now. 22 seconds ago, it has been posted. Now going back to my home page, I want to post on Reddit right now, and here you can see my Reddit feed. These are my previous posts. I'm going to add new title. Hey Rick. So I'll proceed with this. And you can see, hi Rick, hope you are doing well today. Now I will go to my actual account, and when I refresh it, you can see it here. Hope you are doing well today. Just now, whatever data I have been posting is stored into the database of my Azure account. For the reference, this is my Twitter developer account from which I got all my tokens and secrets. Similarly, I have my Reddit account from which I got my unique IDs and secrets. This is my Django administration from which you can see my Reddit posts have been posted here, Eric, and the Twitter models as well, the ones which I just posted and the previous ones as well. So I hope you like my Simpson themed web application from which I posted on Twitter as well as Reddit. This video will be posted on YouTube and the link will be shared here, and you can see it for your perusal. This was my presentation on social data mining, assignment number 2. Thank you for your time.